So, how is farming school? It's good. I like it a lot. Hmm. Cool. Oh. Oh, who are those people? I should probably introduce myself. But remember, be really mean, like Mama said. Yeah, whatever. Hello. Oh, let me go in front. Hi. It stinks out here so badly. That's the real smell of nature, if you actually know what it smells like. How dare she? I don't like her already. I was trying to make friends with these people. We don't need friends, we have cousins. Hello. It's so rude. And so, we had rooms for you guys. I think you should all fit in here. In this tiny space? No way. We can't sleep in here, I'm sorry. Oh, well, you're leaving. Oh, wait, I think they're here. Oh, I'm sorry about him. So, here, I'll show you. Oh, Mama, wait for us. Go to your room. Alright, so we're thinking these two girls can bunk down here, and then the other two girls, whatever they are, they can bunk up here. That's fine. Yeah, Alex parents can bunk up here. And, I don't know, but this is my room. So, yeah. Oh, I see little bunnies in the house. Yes, they're actually rabbits if you actually get your facts straight. But, sorry, I can't tell between a bunny and a rabbit. She's being mean already. I feel like leaving. So, yeah. So yeah. Alex, Prudence, I'll show you where your room is at. Okay. There where the two little girls are. Okay. Oh. Is she missing a shoe? Why is she so dirty? It's actually because I clean up cow poop. Ew. It's not actually ew. It's actually amazing. I don't know any good comebacks. Well, I guess you get to go in the top bunk. Do you guys have TV? What? What? We don't listen to no silly TV. We listen to the radio. What the heck is a radio? Things back in the past. You guys listen to old things? Actually, we'll have Top Bunk. You know, Top Bunk is actually the better bunk. Don't correct me. I know what to do. Alright. Okay, so I guess we can have Top Bunk. Just don't fart from smelling all that cow poop. I know you want to fart. And that's okay. What the heck is this watermelon? I think I should throw this in the trash. No, don't throw it in the trash. It looks like an old watermelon to me, so you didn't never do that to a basketball player. Oh, well, we don't play sports. Of course you guys don't play sports. Because the only sport you guys play is milking cow. This is how to play. So, you milk a cow, and then you win. Actually, that's not a sport, so watch your back. Will I or will I not? So this is our room? Well, until junky people came in here, yes, I guess it was your room. That made no sense. I don't care. So you have any electricity and an internet? Nope. You guys don't use electricity? Nope. What is that made out of then? It's made out of pure bulb. My ex-husband came up with it a few years ago. Oh. Yep, and this is just like where is this? Okay. How do you use your toilet then? Toilet? Oh, it goes down to, well, we just clean up the poop. We're so used to cleaning up cow poop anyway. Alright, so Mama, Cheryl, Mama, we're gonna have to all sleep over on the other side. Wait, what? Why we gotta sleep all the way on the other side? Because they're gonna take over that room. Come on. Even me? No. You won't entertain somebody while we all go sleep on this side. Let's call. Damien, Allie. Hey, Mama. Hey. Alright, so we all gonna be sleeping in here. What, there's only like one bed? Well, come on, guys. We gotta be nice to them. Let them have their company. How would you like it if we're just really nice to them and they invite us to their place? I said to be mean, so I'm being mean. We're the naturals, first of all, so you can't tell me to be nice. They don't even know how to milk a cow. But, alright, so I guess the room we're sleeping in is... Come on, Zeke, let's go. Where's the baby sleep? I guess we sleep in here. With rabbits? No. What if they jump on a bed and lick my face? No. Well, the babies aren't going to have to sleep with us. They're going to sleep with Alex and Prudence. You scary, homie. How do you talk so clear? 'Cause I do, homie. Don't touch me. Touch me again and see what will happen. I'm gonna uppercut you in the face. I'm sorry, he watches lots of wrestling. I can tell. Jesus. Type of person raises their kids like that. He is making fun of Mommy. Mommy, I'm telling. I just heard I'm telling and I don't even want to be part of it. Mommy, there's this boy. Oh, it's not about them. Yeah. Ah, there's the chicken. So, Mom, there was this boy. He was making fun of how you guys have kids. How dare he? How old is he? He looks like Amethyst. He's that ugly. I'm sorry. Okay, I mean, he's that pretty? Not even any better. No, he's ugly. I knew it. Amethyst, go fix your hair. What? Want them to see how pretty you are. Alright. What that is. Oh, apples. Well, I guess I'll go pick apples. Whoa, who is that? Oh. Uh. Jerry! Huh? What are you doing to the apples? They're all falling off the tree. Put them back. It can't. We'll eat them all. My gosh, Jerry. There's no way we're gonna be mean to them. I'm gonna be nice. I know that's breaking the law, but I'm gonna be nice. Alright, chickens, get it back in your coop. Whoa, that's a really pretty blue chicken. I never seen a blue chicken before. Well, yeah, if you come out here before, of course you're gonna see a blue chicken. Weirdo. Well, I'm sorry, I don't live in the country. Well, welcome to the country. Sorry, he's a little bit mean. Well, welcome. These two are Amethyst and Diamond. Oh, my name's Amethyst too. Oh, that's a blessing. Well, you look like the chicken then. In our country, well, there's no people. If you have the same name as the person, you look like them. That is not true, Mom. Whatever. Anyways, hope you like it here. Sorry if some people are mean. It's fine, but it's, the cherry trees. How do we pick them? I mean, they're really far away and you can't, oh, there's a ladder right here. Oh, well, I guess you can't move the ladder, so you'll have to just jump. Ugh. Whoa, should not said that to a basketball player. So, what do you guys want to do? Nothing with you. What do you guys do? We read books and go to the farm, milk cows. I don't want to go to the farm. Well, that's too bad because we're going this morning. Have you guys even ate breakfast yet? No. We eat breakfast at the farmer's market. Grandpa works there, but he divorced Grandma. So all the kids go to the farmer's market and help him. Wait, we gotta go and help? Duh, I said all the kids. I don't want to go. Well, all the kids can't stay here, so Grandma drops us off. I don't want to go, though. It's going to be boring. What am I even going to do? Stock shelves? Probably. In our house, we just hire a maid. Oh, so you guys are living the rich life in a Malibu Chevrolet. Not a real car. Shut up. You guys like to go watch on your big screen TV living in Beverly Hills. Well, we don't live in Beverly Hills, but we do have a Malibu Chevrolet, whatever, Malibu. And, it's actually not a Malibu, it's a truck. And we also have a big screen TV. Well, I was right. Well, all you gonna have to do is read books on how to be a great person, because obviously you don't know how. No wonder why you have the books at first. Well, I'm giving them to you because you really need them. I actually don't need them. Yeah, we don't need them. How are you her sister but overweight? Oops. How are you her sister and you have different hair color? Well, I mean, sorry for calling you overweight. I'm not going to forgive you, because that's just rude. And I had enough people calling me overweight. Don't call my sister overweight. Whatever. If you don't believe it. What? Come on, come on. They actually do use electricity. What? The plug in the girl's room. Wait, what? Yeah, they have electricity under the desk. Oh, yeah, so they're lying. They've been lying the whole entire time. I know what lying is. When you yell at me, Mom, for my report card grade, I lie about stuff. Sorry. Alright. And sorry, I had the dog use your hairbrush. What? That's my pink hairbrush. My favorite hairbrush. And you let the dog use it? I couldn't find his hairbrush. So you just blamed it on Prudence? Well, duh. Okay, this is really not helping. Well, today we have a schedule. Well, you guys gotta go get dropped off at the that grocery store. What are we gonna ride in? A carriage? Well, I always wanted to be a princess, but I don't want to ride in a carriage. I want to ride in a car. Well, they do have a car. Thank you very much. Don't be rude. Alex, please don't be rude. Just don't. Now change into the cutest clothes you can to show off. Yeah. Alright. Give me my sunglasses. I need a hat. Just use amethyst. Amethyst hat. The teenagers get to stay here. And do what? Pick fruits? Oh, well that's more easier. They can't move the ladder, so they have to jump. Wow, that's hard. Alright. Oh, where are you guys going? Where do you think you're going? We're going to the grocery market. Unless you didn't know. Oh, you guys look dressed. What's going on? So the kids go to the grocery market and you and Oscar can pick fruit. Oh. Well, so I dropped the kids off at the grocery store to help their grandpa. So yeah, I should be doing that by now. Hey, wait for us. Wait for us, Mom. Wait for us. Well, hurry up. I gotta drop all you kids. My turn to sleep. Alright. These are extra kids. What are they doing here? There's only 4 at a time, you know. Well, there's 7 now. Alright. Let's go. Bye. Bye, Mom. Wait. Wait for us. Where's that guy with the box on his head? Don't make fun of my brother. He only role plays. I'm right here. Ugh! You scared me. How did you get there? I've been here. Alright, now let's go to Grandpa. Oh, look, kids. Oh my, I don't want them to steal, so I'm gonna go tell the owner. Oh wait, no, they're the kids that help out. Come on, let's go. Oh, hey, Grandpa. Hey, go in the back. Okay. Hello. Hi. Are you ready? There's more people coming. Oh. Come on, Prudence. 1 second, I'm gonna take a break. Why is your sister so overweight? Is she a twin? She looks exactly like you two. Well, yeah, she is my twin, of course. Oh, then why is she so overweight? That's not a nice thing to ask, you know. I don't care. Honey, you're breathing all over the food. Sorry. Oh, sorry. I mean... Alright. How does this thing work? So, you put any random food on there and it makes whatever you have to. So, what do you want? Jam. Alright. My grandpa made it. Jam. Restore. Alright, what do we need to make? Alright, so there's gonna be half of us making the stuff. Alright, I gotta tell them what to do. Don't worry, Grandpa. We already told them what to do. Just because they're new, you guys have to go out this time. Wait, what? I don't want to go out. I don't want to look at the foods. I want to just make them. Well, if that's too bad, because they're new. Okay? So. Alright, you three in the back over here. Actually, you in the front. You in the back. You two in the back. Alright, and someone has to stay, so you stay. Now you three, go. Okay. Cheese. What? We need more cheese. Okay. Cheese. Good. Alright. How did you know cheese was made out of dairy? Because I eat cheese every day. Oh, cake! No, you cannot make that. I wasn't. I was just saying, ooh, look, it's cake. Chocolate? You can make it out of chocolate. You can make it out of anything. Wow. Yeah, just get the cheese. And then you guys get it out, and then we take it back. Here's the cheese. Did you wash your hands? Oops. Of course you didn't wash your hands. Now people are going to have to clean their cheese off, which is weird. Alright, now, here's the catch. Oops. Why would you throw that away? Just go. Alright, so, you can make anything you want. Why did you tell them that? Because I can. So you can make blueberry jam. You can make strawberry milk, strawberry jam. Or you can make something out of beans, like tofu or soy sauce or hot dog. And then for pumpkin, that's the best part, pumpkin pie. Oh, pumpkin pie! But you can't have it because you're fat. What happens if you put two of them on the same time? Well, first, my friend. So, you want this? We need bread, though. So, yeah, that's it.